Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Telegram too many attempts. Please try again later problem solve. On your Telegram account, when you are trying to log in and getting an error message, Telegram too many attempts, please try again later. And this error on Telegram occurs when you try to enter too many login attempts or you request couple of verification code to verify your Telegram account. Then you can experience this error and this issue can be fixed easily. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Open the setting on your Android device. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Tap on App Management option. Scroll down and find Telegram app. Click Telegram app. Click Storage Use. Then click Clear Cache. Click Manage Space. Then click Clear Telegram Cache. Be sure to take a backup if you have essential data before clearing cache. Then click Clear Cache. Click Clear Local Database. Select Clear. Now open Telegram software and see if your problem is solved. See the next solution if your issue is not resolved. Uninstall the Telegram software, install on your phone. Then open the Google Play Store. Click search bar, then type Telegram. Click Telegram app. Click Install. Now open Telegram software and see if your problem is solved. Click Start Messaging. Then click Continue. Allow all permission. Select your country. Hope your problem is solved. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.